In this video, we're going to fix a broken mainspring, not replace it. We'll remove the mainspring out of the barrel. Here we can clearly see that the mainspring is broken. We're going to fuse this mainspring back together with silver solder. Here's some silver solder from Radio Shack from years ago. We'll clean everything up with 91% rubbing alcohol. We'll heat up our soldering iron. Apply some flux to the mainspring. When you slide it together, it'll almost stick. Apply the silver solder right to the joint. You can see the silver solder just sucks right into the joint there. Clean everything with the rubbing alcohol. Is this the best fix? No, but it'll work. This silver solder is a very strong bond. Put the spring back into the barrel. Here we can see that the spring is back in the barrel, and right here is the silver solder joint. Place the arbor back in, place the cover back on, place the barrel back into the watch. We'll put the movement back together. Now when we wind it up, everything holds and you can feel pressure on the spring.